fierce and secret rhythm is rising. And in this very moment, it erupts into our folk dance. Folk dance is a traditional form of dance that reflects the culture, lifestyle and values of a community. It is passed down through generations and performed during festivals, celebrations and special occasions. Folk dances like Garba, Bhangra, Gondhal and Ghumar, etc. show the diversity and richness of our country. They are important because they preserve our cultural heritage and help us stay connected to our roots. Folk dance also has many advantages. It improves physical fitness, reduces stress, builds confidence and develops teamwork. As most dances are performed in groups, for today's youth, folk dance is a fun way to stay active while understanding their traditions. It teaches them pride in their culture and offers a positive break from the digital world. Thus, folk dance continues to remain a colorful and meaningful part of our lives. Now, first, I would like to call upon the stage Code MM8.
তোর সাথে এইতে পারতাম মোর মনের প্রজাপতি নাচি নাচি ঘুরি ঘুরি উড়ি উড়ি উড়ে যায় মন হারানোর ঠিকানায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙ্গিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় সুরের অন্তরে ঝিরঝিরি ঝরনা ধারায় নতুন রঙ